This is an Uzi top cover, ratcheting top cover. They're wonderful. I went to take mine off my other Uzi. Thank God I have two of these. And I got a little overzealous. I took the whole thing apart. Unfortunately, I'm trying to reassemble this like a puzzle, and just using my other Uzi to see how this gets back together, I'm at a loss. Zooming in on my phone, you can see a buddy of mine, Mark Serbu. Thank you very much, Mark. Came to the aid and just showed me the picture of that. I was trying to orient this and all, and completely forgot this moves over like this. So what I'm going to do is take this, and you can see along here where that little spring has worn away a little bit. So that's all I'm going to do. Put this little piece back. Maybe a third hand would help more, as it would on all things, but let's see what we can do here just to get this little part in here, and hopefully this is not going to put up too much of a fight. Look at that. Oh man, I tell you what. Now if I hold this side by side, I think I've done well. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate it. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get some light on this thing. So there we go. Hope that helps anybody that got into this a little too far.